Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Libra air sign, and this reading is for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Libra, your messages for the month of September. What's the messages for you? Two cards, but I am not taking. Okay, Knight of Swords. Okay, Page of Wands. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Wow, yeah, communication is the key for the month of September, Libra. Yes, your person want to come towards you. I think one person in this connection is younger than the other person. Truth coming out and lot of communication is going between both of you. Yes, your person want to communicate you, or you want to communicate to your person. This could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what is going on your connection, Libra. The Emperor, Three of Cups, Justice. Yeah, I think you or your person could be Libra. Your card is here, and the Emperor, one person in this connection is very committed and they want to celebrate this connection, but for some there is separation, and one person wants second chance, and then one person wants reconciliation with the other person. For some, here two stories. Yeah, Ace of Cups, love overflowing here. Six of Cups, yeah, you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Queen of Wands. I think you, Libra, you stand by your power, and there is lot of passion between both of you. You love each other, and Ace of Cups, yes, your person loves you so much, or you loves your person so much. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you, those who are in separation. Yeah, King of Pentacles. What's Nine of Cups? Wow, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All signs. Wow. Yes, this is very very positive reading, and those who are in separation, you both will reconcile, and this relationship is going to be next level 100%, because King of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and the Sun. Definitely this is positive outcome, and you both wishing for this connection. You both wish fulfillment is this connection, reconciliation, and definitely you are waiting for the long term commitment. It is coming, Libra. The Sun, definitely positive outcome. Those who are waiting for reconciliation, it is coming. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to right now. The Moon. I think yeah, someone is hide something from your person, or you hide something from your person. Queen of Pentacles, Four of Cups, King of Swords. Yeah, your person want to communicate and they want to give clarity, and they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity, and yes, they want to discuss the things that hide from you, that are hidden from you, because Queen of Pentacles, they want to share everything with you. Due to some reasons they hide something from you. That's why the communication is the key here. They want to express their feelings, whatever they hide something from you, and I think they are not expressive type. That is the issue, but now they will open up. Definitely. Yeah, Page of Swords, lot of communication cards. Definitely they are spying on your social media. They want to communicate you. And the Strength, yeah, under the deck, you or your person could be Leo. They are gaining strength to come towards you, and the last card for the reading is High Priestess. Yes, patience and balance is also needed, and something is hidden in this connection. That is the main issue. So that issue is going to be resolved, because communication, you both will communicate. Definitely this is positive outcome. You both will reconcile. Most of you will reconcile. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.